Good morning, it's Mark Leibovit from VRTrader.com and the VR Gold Letter, the Leibovit VR newsletters group, so to speak. And here we are this morning on Wednesday, June 10th, looking at two gold stocks, applying the Leibovit VR sequential indicator, which, as a reminder, posts all VRs. And of course, we have the directional version, which filters out repetitive VRs, and the 2-day version, which basically presents a 2-day or 2-bar trade, as you may be familiar with. Meanwhile, Leibovit Positive VR formed 2 days ago in Harmony HMY, and one 2 days before that got us long the stock. We are long now. The question is, are we going to shoot for this little gap here, which is around 298? Are we going to go to the 50-day moving average, which is 304, or the 200-day moving average, which is at 312? Of course, a bigger picture bottom could be occurring too, but for now, we're just going to give it the trade interpretation, and we'll take it a day at a time. At the same time that we recommended Harmony, we also recommended IAG, which is IM Gold. And we're putting up the chart here of, a little bit more of a dramatic pattern here than we saw in Harmony, because the signal came a few days prior. And by the way, this pattern was seen in other gold and gold related shares as well. In IM Gold, we had this huge spike on heavy volume, and this was on June 3rd. And as you can see, we've trended up since. The stochastic, as was the case with Harmony, was in an uptrend, and we're using that 533 stochastic. And since it's already above the 50-day moving average, that's a plus. Your next resistance is the 200-day moving average up here around 410. And like Harmony, we're going to take it a day at a time here, whether it's the beginning of something more significant or just a little technical bounce. I know bearish sentiment is still great in the gold shares and gold, so you've got to be prepared. Plus the fact a seasonal low tends to be posted during the summer months, and we are approaching that now. So maybe the shares are starting to lead the way to the upside. Have a pleasant day. Thanks for checking in.